What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with Mike. Today we are going to be marinating some salmon and we're going to be throwing it on the grill tonight for dinner, so it's going to be fantastic. So let's dive on in. Alright, so we got some salmon from the store the other day and it is freaking beautiful. Beautiful Atlantic salmon, wild caught. Looks freaking amazing gorgeous. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be marinating it with some soy sauce, some brown sugar, some lime juice, some garlic salt, some onion salt, and some avocado oil. So once again, the recipe will be down in the description below. So check that out if you want it. Also, if you want to hit the little subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. And make sure you mark it so you can get some notifications when I get my new videos up and running. It'd be awesome. And smash that like button as well. All right, so we are going to be dumping in some soy sauce. Get that open. Probably about a cup and a half. It's about a cup and a half of soy sauce. And then about half a cup of lime juice, and then about a cup of brown sugar. Once again, when you're doing brown sugar, remember you measure it by packing it in the cup. So this was altogether about a fistful, so it's about a cup. So got that. Then we're gonna do a couple of tablespoons of garlic. So now we're gonna do like 2 tablespoons, well, just one, about a tablespoon and a half of garlic salt. Most of the time I just eyeball these recipes, so and your guess is as good as mine as the exact ones when I'm not measuring exactly. Alright, so now I wanna do like a tablespoon of onion salt. And then we'll probably do about a quarter cup of avocado oil. You guys probably notice I cook a lot with avocado oil because I love it because it tastes really good. It's not like, it doesn't give you that olive oil taste, but it's got a real mild taste. It tastes fantastic. All right, so let's get your wire whisk out. Wire whisk all this stuff together. All right, and then I'm gonna taste it. That tastes pretty good. Oh, it's amazing actually. Nice and sweet. All right, now this fillet is so big, we're gonna cut it in half. So obviously it's like the size of my arm. So we're gonna cut this bad boy in half. So okay. Now we got some more manageable pieces. Look at that beautiful fillet. So we're gonna lay it in skin side down so that all the marinade gets on there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one, we're gonna go skin side up so that both the meat, and lay it crossways so that the meat can get 100% covered in that marinade. So just kind of push it down so it gets covered all the way. And now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna marinate this for a pretty long time, just so that the flavors can soak in the meat. It's gonna taste awesome. So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for the next 5 hours. Some of you are gonna be like, holy freak, that's a long time. But it's gonna give the fish an amazing flavor. It's gonna be juicy. It's gonna just taste like candy, really. So we will come back soon.
5 hours later.
Okay, so here we are, 5 hours later. Time to cook the salmon. So we're gonna cook it on the barbecue today on the grill. So as you can see, I've already got my grill up to temperature. It's about 400 degrees. So I'm gonna lift this up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some tin foil down so that it doesn't stick to the grill. All right, so we have some sockeye salmon and some Atlantic salmon. So you saw me put the Atlantic salmon in, but there's the sockeye salmon all nice and red. It's kind of hard to see. But we're gonna lay these down skin side down. Actually, I'm gonna put this guy up here. The reason I'm putting these skin side down is because the skin's actually gonna stick to the tin foil. And doesn't that look so good? So when we pull it off, it'll come off nice and easy. So the back part of my grill is a little hotter than the front part of my grill. So these smaller ones are the reason I'm putting them up here a little closer to the front because I don't want them to cook so fast. But these are going to be in the back because they're thicker. So we're just going to let those cook for probably about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll come out and check them. We're not going to flip them over. We're just going to cook them on the one side, and the heat is going to circulate in that barrel and just kind of cook it all the way around. So it's going to get a nice even cook. So we'll come back and check this here in a few minutes. These are moving right along cooking wise, so I'm just going to get a basting brush and put some more of the marinade on top. Close the lid and let that cook some more. Okay, so one common question that people have is, how do I know when my fish is done? So with salmon especially, the juices are going to come up through the meat, and once they start to turn that foggy kind of color, it's like, it depends on the meat color, but it'll be like a pinky kind of solid color of juices that start to form like right in the middle, and that's how you know that the fish is cooked all the way through. So just a little FYI. Alright, let's take a look and see what the fish looks like. So, looks like the sockeye is done because it's nice and firm. It looks black, but it's burned, but it's not, I promise. So what we're going to do is we're going to carefully peel this off. There goes my spray bottle. Pull that off of there. A lot of that black you're seeing is actually the sugar from the brown sugar that's mixed in with the marinade. So this is not quite done yet. So you can tell because it's still kind of soft. It's not firm. Fish will be firm when it's all done. So we turn the heat down on this so that this can continue to cook, but this does not look amazing. That is perfectly done. So if you look, you can, oh, that looks kind of gross on the spatula. But if you look right here all over this, you can see like that cloudy type of juice that's coming out, like I mentioned earlier. So this fish is completely done. So we just need to wait for the Atlantic salmon to get done. So we'll come back and check this here in a few more minutes.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, it's time to take the salmon off. It's done. While you take a peek in here, you can see the juices. See how that's all the cloudy juices coming through? That means that it's completely done. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna, it's kind of big to pull off here, so I have my assistant, my son Garrett, to come help me. Okay, so what he's gonna do is he's gonna hold this pan, cookie sheet, right at the bottom of there. So when we pull this off, it'll come right off in one piece. So tin foil, you can grab it because it's not gonna be hot, even though it's in the barbecue. So I'm just gonna pull this right off. Doesn't that look good? All right, turn the barbecue off.
Delicioso. Looks good.
All right, let's go in and dig in.
It's getting hot.
A little scoop of rice, just for presentation purposes. Does that look good? And then we're gonna take a little piece of the salmon right here. And we can slide that right in underneath between the meat and the skin. That'll come off just like that. Oh, doesn't that look amazing? Let's taste this bad boy. I already tasted the sockeye salmon. It's phenomenal. All right, so I'm gonna taste this. Ooh, that's hot. Holy smoke, that's hot. Oh man, that is amazing. Oh, very mild fish flavor actually, because of the marinade, but it's very sweet. A little bit of a salt taste to it. Really super flaky, super tender, and it mixes well with the coconut rice. So, appreciate you guys watching this video on how to do salmon on the barbecue, marinade salmon. Until next time, we're gone. I can get the lid off of there. Oh my gosh, come on. This does not want to come off. What the flip? Oh my gosh, there we go. All right. Oh, and there's a seal on it. Oh my gosh. Are you recording that? That's awesome.
Oh my god.
Okay. Oh yeah. I don't know about y'all, but when I barbecue, I need a nice cold drink. Ooh.